This is a jib shot. Usually requires a jib to perform such movement. In this class, we will demonstrate how to use a gimbal to achieve the same camera movement. To reach the high ground, you will need something to be able to extend the gimbal. If you have a chance to own a Feiyu AK4500, you can use the extension stick to achieve the similar effect. But the best tool is the monopod. I have a 4-stage monopod, so I can extend my gimbal about 7 feet tall. I can easily reach a high ground with such length. To mimic a jib shot, you need to operate like a jib. Set up your gimbal to the lock mode because the camera doesn't move on a jib. You can preset the camera's angle to the one you want. Then slowly raise the monopod. You can also walk when moving it up, giving a dolly-like movement. It may also sound easy, but to get a good result, you need a lot of practice. I call this high-angle shot. Another instance of taking advantage of this high angle is to mimic a drone. You can put your gimbal on a monopod and reach as high as possible. Then just simply walk. Don't forget to use the ninja walk to achieve a smooth result. If you own a Feiyu AK4500, you can use this remote handle to control the gimbal wirelessly. Super convenient when filming at a high angle. You also definitely need a wireless monitor. I found Wi-Fi-based video transmitters are very handy in this case. I can just use my phone as the monitor and mount it to my wrist with those armband for smartphones.